dear students. Today's video I am going to show you how to prepare a job cost sheet. Before preparing job sheet, we should understand the elements of cost. I think you must have studied this earlier, maybe in your earlier semester. Elements of cost classified into mainly three types. They are material, labor, and expenses. Material cost is two types. They are direct material and indirect material, and labor cost is two types. They are direct labor and indirect labor. Then expenses are classified into direct expenses and indirect expenses. First one, material material is two types, that is direct material and indirect materials. Direct materials means materials that become part of the finished goods are called direct materials. Example, cotton in textile mill, clay in bricks, leather in shoes, steel in machine, cloth in garments. Next one, indirect material. Indirect material means they don't form a part of the finished product. For example, oil, grease, lubricants, consumable store, cleaning materials, cotton waste, coal, printing and stationery materials, etc. Next one, labor cost. Labor means for the conversion of raw material into finished goods, human effort is required. Such human effort is called labor. Remuneration of labor is called wages. Next one, labor is further divided into direct labor and indirect labor. Direct labor means direct labor is directly engaged on production. It represents the wages paid to workers directly engaged in converting the raw material into finished products. Next one, indirect labor. It is the labor which is not directly engaged on production. Indirect labor costs include the wages paid to cleaners, inspectors, foremen, storekeepers, supervisor, PU, watchman, salesman, etc. Next one, expenses. All costs other than material and labor are termed as expenses. All costs other than material and labor are termed as expenses. Expenses are two types, direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses means direct expenses are directly charged to product or job or process. These are specially incurred in production of a particular product, job, or process. Direct expenses are also called chargeable expenses or prime cost expenses or productive expenses. For example, cost of special drawings, design, patterning, model, etc. Next one, indirect expenses. Indirect expenses are those which cannot be identified with a particular product or job. They include all indirect costs other than indirect material and indirect labor. For example, indirect expenses are rent, rates, taxes, insurance, depreciation, repair and maintenance, carriage, advertising, power and lighting. Next one, overhead. Overheads are indirect charges. Overheads are indirect charges. These are the aggregate of indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses. According to function, overheads are classified into four, namely factory overheads, office overheads, selling overheads, and distribution overheads. First one, factory overheads. These are indirect charges incurred in connection with the production in the factory. Factory overhead means these are indirect charges incurred in connection with the production in the factory. These include indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses in producing goods or services in the factory. It also called work overhead or work cost. For example, factory overhead are consumable stores, factory rent, plant depreciation, repairs to machinery and factory building, factory insurance, coal, gas, power, etc. Next one, office overhead. These are costs incurred in connection with the management and administration of an enterprise. Office overhead are called administrative overhead. For example, office rent, office salary, postage, printing and stationery, legal charges, audit fees, accountant salary, office lighting, depreciation of furniture, telephone charge, etc. Next one, selling overhead. These are indirect expenses incurred for the purpose of promoting sales. For example, advertising, salesman salary, commission, bad debts, etc. Next one, distribution overhead. These are indirect expenses incurred from the time production is completed in the factory till it reaches its destination. These are cost of moving the goods from factory to consumer. For example, go down rent, warehouse, staff salary, packing expenses, delivery van expenses, etc. Next one, division or components of cost. Division or components of cost. First one, prime cost, factory cost or work cost, cost of production. Next, total cost. By grouping the various elements of cost, we get the following divisions or components of cost. First one, prime cost. Prime cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Prime cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Next, factory cost or work cost. Factory cost or work cost means prime cost plus factory overheads. Next one, cost of production or office cost. Cost of production or office cost is equal to factory cost plus office and administration overhead. Next one, total cost. Total cost or cost of sale is equal to cost of production plus selling and distribution overhead. These are the division or components of cost. So I conclude my topic. Elements of cost classified into mainly three types. They are material cost, labor cost, and expenses. Material cost include direct material and indirect material. Then labor cost include direct labor and indirect labor. Then expenses classified into direct expenses and indirect expenses. And next one, overhead. All indirect overheads are indirect charges, and these are the aggregates of indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses. So direct material include cotton in textile mill, clay in bricks, leather in shoes, steel in machines, etc. And indirect material includes oil, grease, lubricants, consumable store, etc. And indirect material, they don't form a part of the finished product. And direct labor is directly engaged on production. Then indirect labor which is not directly engaged on production. Then expenses, all costs other than material and labor cost is called expenses. This is very uh, important one in costing. Thank you.